students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, area and perimeter. Perimeter. We know that a plane figure bounded by line segments is a rectilinear figure. Thus figures like a triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, etc. are rectilinear figures. However, curved surfaces like a circle are not rectilinear figures. The distance around a plane figure is called its perimeter. In case of rectilinear figures, perimeter is equals to sum of its all sides. Perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of its three sides. And perimeter of a rectangle is sum of its sides, that is 2 into length plus breadth, or you can also say 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. And perimeter of a square is 4 into one side. Okay. Exercise 25.1, find the perimeter of the rectangle whose measures are given. 10 meter, length is 10 meter, breadth is 7 meter. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is this, 2 lengths plus 2 breadth. So 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 into 10 centimeter plus 2 into 7 meter. 2 into 10 is 20 meter, 2 into 7 is 14 meter, 20 plus 14 is 34 meter. So the perimeter is 34 meter. Okay. Concept of area. Consider the following cases. Take some water in a glass and spill a little portion of it on the table. Some portion of the table gets wet. We call this portion as area. Number 2, we keep a notebook on a table. It occupies some portion of table called area. Number 3, the school in which we study covers some area of land, right? And number 4, our country India covers some specific area on the earth. Now consider the figures given below. Okay, the shaded portion of these figures denotes their areas. The area is the measure of the amount of surface enclosed by a closed bounded figure. Okay, measurement of areas. The standard units that are commonly used to measure areas are square millimeter, square centimeter, square meters. The area of a square of side 1 millimeter is called 1 square millimeter and return is as this, 1 millimeter square. The area of a square of side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter and return is 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter square. The area of a square of side 1 meter is 1 square meter, written as 1 square meter or 1 meter square. Okay. Area of an irregular plane figure. Area of an irregular plane figure can be found only approximately. For this we use a 1 centimeter square paper called graph paper. To find its approximate area, we proceed as follows. Number 1. Place the object on the graph paper and draw its boundary. Number 2, count the completed squares. Number 3, neglect the squares which are less than half. Number 4, count the square which is exact half or more than half. And number 5, add the above. Okay. Now, area of rectangle. Consider the rectangle ABCD. We count the number of squares. Here we have 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So the area of rectangle ABCD is what? 12 square centimeter. You can also write like this. Consider another figure having length 4 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Then area is also 12 centimeter square. So from these it is clear that area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of a square is side into side, that is length into length, no breadth. Okay. Now consider the following examples. Example 1. Find the area of an irregular object with the help of a graph paper. So, number 1. Mark complete or greater than half a square by cross. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares are there. Now mark half a square as tick. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Half squares, how many half squares are there? 3. Neglect less than half a squares. Okay. And add up squares marked X, cross and tick. Okay, we have 9 crosses and 3 marks, tick marks. Area covered by complete or greater than half square is equals to this 9 into 1, 9 square units. Okay, and area covered by half squares is equals to 3 into half, that is 1 into half square units, right? Now total area is what? 9 plus 1 and half is equals to 10 1 and half square units. Okay. Example 2, Find the area of a rectangle whose lengths are 8 cm and 4 cm respectively. Area of rectangle, you know, is length into breadth. Length is what? 8 cm and breadth is what? 4 cm. So 8 into 4 is 32 centimeter square. Okay. Next, pathways and verandas. Often we have pathways laid in big plots, fields, gardens and grounds. These pathways may be parallel to either length, breadth or both. It may be around the field. Also, there may be verandas around a house. Let us consider a few examples. Example 5. A garden is 150 meter long and 50 meter wide. Two crossroads, each of 5 meter wide, one parallel to the length and other parallel to the breadth, are laid in the middle of it. Find the area of crossroads. Now consider this figure. Okay, see, length is 150 meter and breadth is 50 meter. Now there are two crossroads 5 meter wide. Okay, so these are the two crossroads. So how will we find the area of path? First we will find the area of ABCD. This ABCD, this rectangle, then plus area of EFGH, this rectangle, and minus area of PQRS. Where is PQRS? This small square is PQRS. Okay, so area of ABCD is what? Area of ABCD. Length is 150 meter, breadth is what? 5. Okay, 5 meter. So 750 meter square. Okay, now area of EFGH. EFGH. Length is what? Length is 50 meter, breadth is 5 meter. So 250 meter square. Now area of PQRS. This is a square. Side into side is a formula. Side is 5 meter into 5 meter. That is 25 meter square. Okay, now we will add these two areas and then we will subtract this one. Okay, now we will write area of path. 750 meter square plus 250 meter square minus 25 meter square. 1000 meter square minus 25 meter square. Okay, so the answer is 975 meter square. Right. Similarly, you will do example 6 also. Exercise 25.2. Find the area of the figures given below. Okay, these are the figures below given, and you have to find the area of these figures. Okay, students. Now you will do practice of this exercise.